What if I told you there are motorhomes right now in 2025 and 2026 that cost more than 50 Bugatti Chirons stacked together? Motorhomes with private helipads, garages for your Ferrari, infinity pools on the roof, and two-story living rooms bigger than most mansions. And the craziest part? Even most billionaires are on a years-long waiting list, or simply get told no. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most insane luxury motorhomes that money alone cannot buy. Let's dive in, starting at number 5. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you never miss the craziest luxury content on YouTube. These are not your grandpa's RVs. These are rolling palaces built for oil princes, tech moguls, and celebrities who got bored of private jets. Prices today start at 8 figures and go all the way up to almost $100 million. So let's get straight into it. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior, the motorhome that looks like a spaceship landed on wheels. This Austrian beast has actual 24-karat gold plating on parts of the exterior. Step inside and you're re-greeted by a sky lounge with a full glass roof that opens up to the stars. There's a working fireplace, a 40-inch TV that rises from the floor like Tony Stark's lab, and a master bedroom with Italian leather walls. Top speed? Only 90 miles per hour, but who cares when you're living like this on the move? At $8 to $12 million, it's the cheapest on our list today. And yes, even some billionaires get rejected because Marchi only builds 5 to 6 per year. Insane, right? Number 4, the Furrion Elysium. You might remember the concept from 2017. Well, in 2026, it's finally real and even crazier. Let us start with the rooftop. A full hot tub and a landing pad for the included Robinson R-22 helicopter that comes with the motorhome. Yes, the helicopter is part of the package. Inside you get 3 separate bedrooms, a master suite with a king bed that floats, and 75-inch curved oldie screens that cover entire walls. There's a wine cellar, a gourmet kitchen with molecular gastronomy equipment, and smart glass that turns from clear to opaque with one tap. This thing is basically a flying penthouse, except it drives. $15 to $18 million, and only 3 units are being made in 2026. Good luck getting one. Number 3, the Volkner Performance S, the undisputed king of supercar carrying motorhomes. Hear us the feature that breaks minds, a hydraulic garage built between the axles that can swallow a full-size Ferrari, Lamborghini, or even a Bugatti Chiron. Your hypercar travels in climate-controlled luxury while you chill upstairs. The interior is full carbon fiber everything, powered by a 600-horsepower Volvo engine, master bedroom. It has an 8K projector on the ceiling, so you fall asleep watching movies on the sky. There's a gym, sauna, and a rain shower that costs more than most cars. Volkner only builds one of these per year, one. Even if you have $25 million cash today, you're looking at 2029 delivery at the earliest. That's how exclusive we're talking. Now, number 2 is for billionaires who have enemies, the Klassen Royal Star Fully Armored Edition. This beast has B7 ballistic protection. It can stop a K-47 rounds and even hand grenade blasts. The exterior looks like a normal luxury coach until you see the run-flat tires and the optional smokescreen system and electrified door handles straight out of James Bond inside. Pure madness, real gold and diamond inlays, a private cinema with recliners that massage you, a full gym, steam sauna, and an office with satellite Starlink that works anywhere on Earth. Some Middle Eastern royals have ordered these with bulletproof glass floors so they can see the road underneath while sipping champagne. The price starts at $30 million and goes up to $45 million depending on how paranoid you are. Only royal families and certain Forbes list names are even allowed to order. And finally, the number 1 luxury motorhome so insane that even saying its price out loud feels illegal. Meet the new 2026 2-story monster from Anderson Mogul Estates, the same company that built Will Smith's The Heat and J-Lo's famous double-decker. This thing is 53 feet long, has expandable sides that turn it into a 1,200 square foot mansion on wheels, and yes, 2 full floors connected by a private elevator. Ground floor, a garage for 2 supercars plus a full gym and spa. Upper floor, a rooftop terrace with a helipad, infinity edge glass pool, outdoor cinema, and a master suite with 360-degree windows. There's a 20-seat movie theater, a recording studio in some units, and marble floors imported from Italy. Price? If they even tell you, anywhere from $60 to over $100 million. And here's the kicker. Anderson only builds these for hand-picked clients. Money is not enough. You need references from current owners, most of whom are Hollywood A-list or Middle Eastern royalty. Basically, you and I will never, ever own this. So there you have it, the top 5 luxury motorhomes. So insane even billionaires can't just walk in and buy them. Which one shocked you the most? The one with the helicopter, the armored fortress, or the $100 million 2-story palace? Drop the number in the comments right now. If you enjoyed this video, destroy that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell because next week we redoing the top 5 most expensive private jets of 2026. Thank you so much for watching. Dream big, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.